Omi has minted almost 4 million NFTs on the app. The Bitcoin and the total two charts are looking like they are at very critical levels, and there's some pretty interesting scams going on the Avalanche blockchain. Let's get it. Decentralized. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you about how on these Bitcoin charts and these altcoin charts we are holding very critical levels, but there's some pretty bullish things going on, and if we don't have these bullish things play out, it's pretty much doomed. This is the last hope. We're on the brink, so we got to take a look at that. I want to talk to you about this Omi chart. Something pretty bullish happening with the Omi chart, and how I think this might be leading us into maybe some more of a little bit of an uptick. And I also want to talk to you guys a little bit about a scam on Trader Joe. So if you're excited about that, like the video, please subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and let's just get right into this video. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Omi token. So looking at this Omi chart right here, we're seeing some pretty interesting things. This is the daily chart. Now Omi has been looking a lot different from the rest of the market. So the rest of the market has been having a pretty bad downtrend lately, and Omi has been kind of, reaching some levels almost close to its all-time high, where it dumped first and started recovering first. The other coins kind of had a nice uptick like this after Omi, and then they're kind of recovering down right now, and Omi's kind of been going up, and we're in an ascending triangle right here. So if you don't know what an ascending triangle is, this is what it looks like. There is some tops forming right here, bounces on an upward trend line, and then it continues to the upside. There's about a 70% chance that this breaks out to the upside. So I got this red line here, we got 3 touches on it there, got this trend line down here, got a couple touches on it there, and it looks like it could bounce in this level, and it could break out of this level by April. So this is the daily chart, so it could take a while to play out, and the rest of the market has to play fair. We need the Bitcoin chart and the altcoin chart to give us that momentum that we need, and we'll talk about that in a second. So some interesting metrics on Omi. So shout out to the Rebel Duck for this information right here. Total additions minted by VEVE, 3.87 million additions minted on VEVE. All of them are sold out. That is a ton of revenue, and a lot of those are being resold in the marketplace. There's a bunch of series. There's 625 items that are changing hands all the time, and this is only going to speed up. They're only going to be doing more drops. They talked about there's going to be a time where there might be a drop every single day. Hopefully that wears out some of the people who are in there just trying to get it, getting all the NFTs and not letting any new people get any. Yeah, no hate there, just saying. Yeah, so pretty dope for Omi. This is what you want to see. That you want to see that the coin that you're invested in is actually making some money. That's great. In the real world, it's making real world dollars, and it's making real world dollars for other companies too, like Marvel, and they're making a lot of money because of Omi, especially on the resale market of their collectibles. So dope things going on over there with the Omi token. Looking at this Trader Joe scam, or this Avalanche scam real quick. So basically there's somebody airdropping a token named AVAX.net to your wallet, and then they have set up some pools and stuff where you can pull this token and provide liquidity. Just don't do it. If you get airdropped a token and you don't know where that airdrop is from, do not interact with it, especially if it has a smart contract connected to it. So these are the tokens that popped up in your wallet. I'm sure a lot of people know this already, but a lot of those tokens that are airdropped in your wallet and you don't know where they are, you don't want to even try to get rid of them. Just don't interact with them, because they could be scams, there could be bugs, there could be malware, or whatever the hell that they use to try to scam some people. So I'll put this in the description if you want to read through the whole thing, but basically they're airdropping a token called AVAX.net wrappedavax.net, and then you go and you say, oh, I could provide liquidity on Trader Joe, and then they say, oh wait, you can get some better deals on their website, and then you swap for their tokens. And it's just a stupid scam that a lot of people are falling for. So it's just something to look for. Like, if you have those airdrop tokens in your wallet, just don't even interact with them. Definitely, if you think that it's a legit airdrop, like, go check Twitter, go check Google, go check all these places that you don't have to really click on any links from these people. Like, I wouldn't even click on this right here. So last but not least, let's look at these Bitcoin charts right now. So looking at the monthly Bitcoin chart, you can see that the 34 is down here at 30k, and that's why 30k is a big level for me. We have dropped below the 13, which was 42k. That was the first big level for me, and then the second level was this 30k. So I'm watching this very closely, hoping that we hold this 33 level. The reason why I'm thinking that we can hold this 33k level, and that would be very bullish, is for a couple reasons. First thing, it's very bullish because it is well above this low over here of 29k. You know, putting in a low closed. We closed over here at 34k, and then we closed down here at 29k. So that would be a nice higher low, and hopefully we get some type of change in trend there. But the most bullish thing that I'm seeing on these charts is right here on this RSI right here. Now, we dipped all the way down here to around 19.92 on the RSI, and the last time we did that was back here in September 2019, which is crazy. That was a long time ago. That's the last time we dipped back there. Before that, the last time we dipped that low was in March of 2020 over here, which was definitely the bottom for this market for sure. Other times we got close, it signified places that were very critical, and then we went up on a nice uptick from there. So now that we're hitting this level again, that is looking pretty good. Hopefully there is some cohesiveness with this move. Now, pushing us back into this trend that we had before, this yellow line right here, and then bouncing off of it and trying to get above the 13 moving average, and hopefully getting above that 34 moving average and pushing us back to 40k. I just want to see us get over 42k to get a little bit more bullish than I am getting, because we bounced right here. So next, I want to see us get above 34, and then get above the 13, and then get above the 34. Those will be very bullish signs to see on this chart. Now, if we break below here and this fails me, and we break below this white line, then yeah, 30k incoming in. It's the same old story. Once we drop below 30k, then we are done for sure. Of course, the only thing, or I don't know what could make that happen, but there's a bunch of things that could make that happen. But just paying attention to the charts, just looking at the technicals, that's what I'm seeing. Of course, I'm not a technical analysis professional, but you guys know I do what I do, and I does what I does, and it gets me what it gets me. And yeah, so let me know if you guys have any questions. Tomorrow I'm going to be making a video on staking, so that one's going to be a pretty good one, especially for some people who like passive income. So tune in for that, and let me know if you guys want me to do a live stream, because I want to do a live stream, but I don't want to get on a live stream if nobody's going to live stream with me. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Health is wealth, think positive, and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots. Till next time, peace.